In number 165, in your classwork for imaginary numbers, asks to drag and drop each value into the box that represents an equivalent value. So here we're going to go ahead and simplify each one of these. So I have 5 times I to the 6th, and since it's an even number, this power, then we can use the even rules. So 6 is not a factor of 4, it's only a factor of 2, which means that it simplifies to a 1, or simplifies to -1, sorry. So this gives us -5. Then moving over here, we have 5 times I to the 4th to the raised to the 2nd. So this can be written as 5I to the 8th. And since 8 is a factor of 4, then we know that this I to the 8th simplifies to 1. So this will be 5 times 1, which is a 5. Then moving on to -25 under the square root, we can rewrite that as the square root of -1 times 25. And we know that the square root of -1 is I, and the square root of 25 is 5, so this gives us 5I. And this 5I to the 7th is our last one. So of course it's going to be the remaining one, but just to simplify it, so we have 5 times, now making the exponent even, we'll have I to the 6th times I, and since 6 is not a factor of 4, it's only a factor of 2, then that'll simplify to a -1 times I, so we'll have a -5I. So in sum, this will be the square root of -25. -5I was 5I to the 7th. 5 was 5I to the 4th squared, and -5 was 5I to the 6th.